Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create blocks in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create blocks in Notion. The first thing you need to do is to log in to your Notion workspace by opening notion.so. Once you do that, go ahead and log into your account. The next step is to navigate to or create a page. So go to the page where you want to add blocks or create a new page by clicking the create a new page icon at the top left corner of the sidebar. Once you're done, let's say I'm opening a page, I'm opening this existing page and I am deleting what I have here so I can have a fresh page. Now, click on the blank space of the page or go ahead and press enter to create a new block. So this is a blank space, and once you do that, you can now type the following things I'm going to show you to type. Okay, so type the // punctuation on your keyboard to open the block menu. Now, once you do that /, it displays a list of available block types that you can choose from. Step 2, or the second method rather, is to click on this plus icon and it just takes you to basic blocks. So go ahead and select from the options to choose any block of your choice. I'm going to run you through what each block contains and how to use any of the blocks. So /. Now the text block is used for plain text. Okay, just plain text only. Now click on that and of course you can start writing plain text. So again, heading 1, which you have here, that's heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 are for different levels of headings. Now they're going to display different sizes of the headings. I'm going to do that again. And the bullet list, if you have the bullet list, that's the bulleted list, is for unordered list. Okay, click on that and you have your bullet list already set that for you. And going back to enter again and /, go ahead and select numbered list. And now you can now start entering your details for ordered list. You also have an option that says quote. So go ahead and choose quote to capture a quote. That's for blocked quote. I'm going to go backspace on that and the /. Now you can use code. And once you use code, just go ahead and type in CODE. Code is for code snippets. And once you do that again and use the // and use embed. Embed is for embedding media or files. And of course, if you use the // again and select database, it means you want to insert a database view, which include table or board. Now, after selecting the block type, depending on your preference, you can customize it by typing directly into it or using the blocks toolbar options. For example, in a text block, you can format the text using bold, italics, or underline. So // and I'm using text. I'm going to have to type something. Write to me. So now that we're here, all I just have to do is to highlight this and the toolbar is going to be displayed. Now from this toolbar, you can go ahead and customize your text to whatever you want it to be in here. Now to add more blocks, repeat the process by pressing enter to start a new block, or just go ahead and type the / to bring up the block menu again. To move blocks, click and drag the cease handle, all right, to reposition the block within the page. And to delete a block, hover over it, click the 6 dot handle and then select the 3 dots ellipses that appear to the right and choose delete from the drop-down menu and you're good to go. That's it. You've successfully created and customized blocks in Notion. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.